So if you want to use the AC, you can press any button here, AC here, then you have all the options, like you can increase driver side temperature, here passenger side, and dual mode, everything like this. You can see you can control inside LCD. Okay, after 5 seconds or 3 seconds, if not touch, AC display goes and this display comes. So it has a Wi-Fi option, you can see Bluetooth, and this is the music player. Okay, and you can run the video also, because in my pre-installed default screen I cannot run the video. Here you can see video also you can run. Okay, so, and what else you are asking, like this buttons are controlling the screen or not? Yes, they are. You can increase and decrease the volume. Here you can see I am pressing the volume button, and mode button, if I press, see I can change the modes, like this is phone mode, this is navigation, this is radio, and this is music player. Okay, I hope this video is going to help those who don't know about this. It has mic also here, and this does not hang or lag when I go here and there. You can see the speed, it's fluent and responds quickly on the touch. Okay, so this is actually 2 GB RAM and 32 GB internal memory of this LCD panel or LCD inside memory, and this also came in the panel, plastic panel. So this also working, here you can see. So let's turn this off. So when I turn off the car, it goes off like this. Okay, thank you.